aim of this presentation I have created is to just to give you a small overview of my career and what are the requirements you might need to enter into the industry, and what are all the career path you can choose as a mechanical design engineer. So this is simply about me. So I was passed out in 2015. After passing out, I prepared for GATE, and actually preparing for GATE made me strong in the basics of physics and mathematics. So using that, I was able to crack my first job as a seating design engineer. And after working there for about an year, I got an opportunity in Renault. Uh, I'm currently working as a chassis packaging engineer, as a pilot for Romanian projects. So other than these two careers, I have also worked as a freelancer for industrial design projects. Uh, so these are all my career path till now. And as a hobby, I'm currently learning programming and developing apps and mobile games. So this is a short intro about me. So coming to my first job. So uh, I didn't have much time to give a detailed presentation. So if you have any questions, or if you want anything, you can ask me in between. It's not a problem. Um, so uh, my first job is designing the seating system for locomotives, trains. So the major responsibility in this job is they will simply give you a existing seat. I couldn't get all the pictures, so these are the pictures I could get. So as you can see, we need to disassemble the uh, already available seat. We need to plan which are the features the customer need, and we have to discuss with them, and we have to finalize the plan whether one second. As you can see here, whether the passengers need food snack tray, whether the armrest is needed for both of them. uh, so all these requirements initially we need to discuss with the client, and after deciding we will choose this concept. So based on this concept, the role of the design engineer is you have to make every physical part into a digital part. As you can see, this is the armrest, so we have to make every part into the digital part. So this was a very good experience for me, and it is a startup. Actually, I was the first employee in this uh, company, so that is the one of the reason I was able to get the job with almost no experience. So uh, in going through my career, you can see, like, in big companies they will follow a lot of procedures, protocols, like that. But in small companies it will be like there won't be any procedures and all. Whatever, only the result is matters. So this is my responsibility in the first company as a seating designer. We have to transfer every small parts. As you can see, it has a lot of uh, parts like armrest cover, then the supporting brackets, all these things. You have to convert every part into the digital, and you are responsible for the complete life cycle of the product. That is, I wanted to say. You have any questions you want in this? Is it clear, or you want me to explain it in some other way? Hello?
Gladwin, can
Yes.
you can you explain how you got this job? What you have done to get this job? Whether you have gone any training for that?
Uh, the major requirements is we need to be fully aware of the tool. We need to be the CATIA or Pro E or Creo or uh, SolidWorks or NX. The only thing they want is the tool. If you are completely aware of the tool, then you can easily get a job, but it will take some time. In some companies, in order to shortlist or in order to uh, choose from a lot of applicants, they will have some aptitudes or some basics physics or mathematics. But if you are very strong in the CATIA tool, they won't care about anything else.
Well, I don't care about anything else.
Is it okay? So I will tell you the things I before attending the interviews. The things I prepared for my first job is most of the thing they want the company's expectation is they want you to have small understanding of the process, like all the manufacturing process, the injection molding, all the manufacturing process, the plastic or sheet metal bending. They want you to have a small understanding. They don't want you to be expert in it. Just a simple, like if out of, you can't even say that we don't know what is injection molding, like that. They want to have a small understanding of what is the basics in this. If you're familiar with the uh, modeling software, you can easily get into the job. There's no other requirement for designing.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I there are like some classifications in design engineer. First, if you see here, automotive industry and locomotive industry, these are all OEMs, original equipment manufacturers. So for these manufacturers, they will have other companies, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, those kind the companies that are depending on these big companies. So first itself, it's very hard to get into the OEM companies. So
Why
you can
is
try
the
in the
aftermarket one, sir?
OEM
Hello.
is original equipment manufacturer.
Direct to original equipment supply and aftermarket na same name. Why is
I
meaning?
couldn't hear you clearly.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, you current, sir.
Okay, so simply it is that, like if you take a car has hundreds of parts. Every part is not manufactured in the automotive industry. The company in Renault, they won't manufacture any part except the engine, the tires, the seating systems, the steering. Nothing will be manufactured here. Everything will be manufactured by a supplier, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 company. So that is what I'm saying is, it is easy to get a job in tier 1, tier 2 company. After having an experience in that company, you can easily switch to different OEMs, like some better paying jobs. So coming, I will explain the next type of design jobs available is the industrial design jobs. So industrial design uh, jobs are the ones that is very like how to say, it's an artistic kind of job. Like if you see one car model, the car model is not is designed by industrial designers. The outer how it looks, how it feels, all these things are designed by industrial designers. So for this industrial design job is the highest paying in the design field. It is almost like a celebrity. If you design one car and if you got famous, like the companies will be dying to have you as their employee. Like you will be a celebrity, they will know you by name. So this is one of the major field in the design engineering. So for this what you need is probably you need MS in design. You need to do higher studies for this. But there is also another small scale aspect to this industrial design. It is like in day to day life, you're seeing your fridge, your fan, those things they will design. Those kind of jobs you can get without any master degrees and all. But even in that, you need to be very how to say, very skilled in designing. First and foremost, for design engineer, you need to have 100% grasp of the tool, whether it is CATIA or NX or SolidWorks or Creo. All these softwares you need to know 100%. Then after that, if you have some like art interest and all, you can opt for this design industrial design kind of jobs. So these are the some of the projects I did when I worked as a freelance for industrial design. So as you can see, like it's only modeling. Whatever 3D modeling you're doing, only that is the major requirement for this industry.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.